Introducing the HTHP Beaker Dyeing Machine by Texcare Instruments Limited, a state-of-the-art solution for high-temperature, high-pressure dyeing of fabrics and yarns on a laboratory scale. Engineered for accuracy and consistency, this advanced dyeing system allows researchers and dye houses to simulate bulk dyeing conditions with precision. It is ideal for cotton, polyester, and specialty fibers, ensuring uniform dye penetration and shade accuracy across every sample. The multi-beaker design allows simultaneous dyeing of multiple samples, ensuring fast production of shade cards, quality checks, and R&D trials. Complies with industry standards. Contact Texcare Instruments Limited today.